Hi guys, this is the introduction to our course. This course introduces powerful process of solving any programming problem. This course develops strong programming fundamentals for beginners. It includes C programming introduction for beginners, platform to run C, basics to write C, and topics in C. Then comes first topic, what is C? It is a programming language to create a list of instructions. It is used for making computer applications, embedded softwares, and verification softwares, etc. Then come on to platforms to run C. If you have Windows, you need Turbo C, Turbo C++, etc. For Linux, you go for GCC. And if you have Mac OS, then come to Xcode, that is available at Apple Store. So these are the platforms to run C. Now we come on to topics included in C, that are variables in data types, operators, control flow, arrays, functions, character strings, debugging, pointer, structures, file input output, etc. Basics to write C. These are hash include stdio.h. Then the second one is hash include conio.h. Both of these are the header files that include the library functions in our program. To make a program, we need to include library functions in it. So we are using both of these files. Then come on to void main. This is the main function of our program. All the functions that we include in a program will be written within this only. Left parenthesis, this marks the beginning of a program. Then comes CLRSCR. It is needed to clear the previous output if you have any on your output screen. Then comes printf. This command is used to print any statement, any character, any number on your screen, output screen. Whatever you want to print, that begin it with the double quotes only. Then come on to getch. This command waits for any character input from the keyboard. Then comes on to right parenthesis. This marks the ending of a program. Then our program is finished. We will come to compile. Here no warnings are present, no errors are present. So we can run our program. Come on to run command. The output is in front of us, hello world, that we have given in the printf command. It is in front of us. The program is finished. Now we have to save it. We will save it with the extension C. Hello, this is the name of the program, hello.c. This is the full name with the extension. Thank you guys for watching my video. This all is the basics of C.